Good morning, students. Today we are going to see Unit 14 Transportation in Plants and Circulation in Animal. The same unit last video we saw structure of human heart and function of human heart. In this video we are going to see 14.15. In that first one, types of blood circulation. 14.15, the second one, heartbeat. 14.15, third one, cardiac cycle. 14.15, fourth one, heartbeat. Let us say one by one in detail in this video. First one, types of blood circulation. Types of blood circulation, three types. One is systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation and coronary circulation. First one, systemic circulation. In the systemic circulation, left atrium, left ventricle, aorta to systemic atrium, arteries, systemic veins. Together, systemic circuit. Systemic circulation of oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to various organ of the body. Various organ of the body. From the organs of the body, deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. Systemic circulation means oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to various part of the body, deoxygenated blood from the various part of the body to the right atrium. This is systemic circulation. Aorta carries oxygenated blood to all the organs of the body in the systemic circulation. Next one, pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation in the pulmonary vein, pulmonary atrium, right ventricle, pulmonary arteries and right ventricle. Pulmonary vein, pulmonary arteries and right ventricle is called pulmonary circuit. Pulmonary circulation. The path of pulmonary circulation start in the right ventricle. Right ventricle. Pulmonary artery arises from the right ventricle and reaches to the lungs with deoxygenated blood for purification. Pulmonary veins collect oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart in the left atrium. Pulmonary circulation means supply to the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, receive oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Third one, coronary circulation. Coronary means heart muscle. Coronary circulation, heart muscles. Heart muscles need energy. So, cardiac muscle receive oxygenated blood from coronary arteries. The coronary arteries originate from the aortic arc. Deoxygenated blood from the cardiac muscles drive into the right atrium by coronary sinews. Next, double circulation. The blood circulates twice through the heart is one complete cycle. That is sending oxygenated blood from all the parts and receiving deoxygenated blood and sent to the lungs for purification and receive oxygenated blood from the lungs. Together, one complete cycle is called double circulation. In that double circulation, oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood do not mix with each other. Next, heartbeat. One complete cycle, that is contraction, contraction systole and one relaxation diastole together is called heartbeat. It will take 72 to 75 times per minute. Next, pulse. pulse, the heartbeat. The blood is forced into the arteries. Arteries means blood vessels. The expansion of artery every time the blood forced into the arteries is called pulse. It will take 70 to 90 times per minute. 70 to 90 times per minute. Next, cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle means one completion of heartbeat is called cardiac cycle. It will take 0.8 second. 0.8 second. Arterial systole, ventricular systole, ventricular diastole. In this cycle, consider as 0.8 second. It is divided into three. First one, atrial systole. Systole means contraction of auricles, 0.1 second. Next, ventricular diastole. Relaxation of ventricles, 0.4 second. Ventricular systole. Contraction of ventricles, 0.3 second. Together, 0.8 second, one cardiac cycle. Next, heart sound. Heart has two sound. One is lub, another one is dub. Lub sound longer duration, dub sound shorter duration. Lub and dub. Now we'll see how the heart is creating sound, lub and dub sound. Then cardiac cycle we'll see. Cardiac cycle. The sequence of event in single heartbeat is known as cardiac cycle. The cycle involves in the systole or contraction and diastole or relaxation of atria and ventricles is called cardiac cycle. Heart is now relaxed position, that is diastole stage. Diastole means relaxed. The valves bicuspid and tricuspids are open. The blood is forced sent to the ventricles. The vena cava and pulmonary vein pour the blood to the right and left atrium. The atrium filled the blood. SA node starts send the signal to the atrium. The atrium are contract and send the blood to the ventricles. The left and right ventricle received blood. It is filled with blood. The auricles are, the atriums are open. Start to relax. The SA node sends signal to the ventricles. The ventricles start to contract. Now the atriums are relaxed. The SA node sends signal to the ventricles. The tricuspid and bicuspid valves are closed. That is lub sound. Now semilunar valves are open. The blood is sent to pulmonary artery and aorta. The SA valves are closed. That is lub sound. Now semilunar valves will close. That is dub sound. The hearts create two sound. The lub sound is longer. The dub sound is shorter. Semilunar valves are closing. That sound is dub. The heart is function. Now see, the ventricle sent the blood to the aorta and pulmonary artery. The atrium send the blood to the ventricles. Contraction, relaxation is continuously is going. This is heartbeat and heart creating sound, lub and dub. The full cardiac cycle is one contraction and one relaxation together is called one heartbeat. Thank you, children. Thank you.